Many people have asked me what they should do when they are pulled over by a police officer on suspicion of driving under the influence. Number 1, take a deep breath and remain calm. Don't give law enforcement any more reason to be suspicious. Number 2, roll down your window just a couple of inches to speak to the officer, and if necessary, hand over your license, registration, and proof of insurance. This makes it difficult for the officer to claim that they smelled alcohol on your breath. Number 3, do not volunteer any information. If the police officer asks you if you know why he pulled you over, simply respond, "Can I help you with something, officer?" Number 4, if you are asked to exit your vehicle, do so in a respectful manner. Don't say anything. Take your keys out of the ignition, close and lock your doors behind you. If the officer asks you why you just locked your doors, respond that it's merely a habit. Number 5, if the officer asks to search your vehicle, state that you do not and will not consent to any searches and that you have nothing further to say until you speak with your attorney. Number 6, if the officer asks you if you've been drinking, state that you respectfully decline to answer any questions without the advice of your counsel. Again, do not volunteer any information. Do not tell the officer where you were going and where you were coming from. Number 7, if the police officer asks to see your license, registration, proof of insurance, or other documents, you must provide these to the police officer. Number 8, the officer may request that you submit to tests to determine if you are intoxicated. These tests are field sobriety tests, field breath tests, station breath tests, or station blood tests. You must submit to a chemical test if requested by law enforcement. Therefore, you should only submit to the station breath test. If the officer requests that you submit to a test, state that you will not take any field sobriety tests, but you'll be more than happy to submit to a breath test at a station if it's necessary. And finally, number 9, remember to be polite, do not lie, and never physically resist.